Spartan warriors could march for miles, fight brutal hand-to-hand battles, and build bodies that looked like stone statues. Yet they had no gyms, no barbells, and no machines. Still, many modern athletes with all that equipment struggle to match their raw strength. So what did they do differently? Here's the surprising part. Exercises most people think are the best for building muscle, like barbell squats, the bench press, and bent over rows, may not actually be the most effective and can put unnecessary stress on your joints. The Spartans focused on movements that load the muscles while keeping the joints safer. In this video, I'll show you 6 simple exercises based on that same idea. No gym required, and one of them has been shown to build more triceps muscle than the close grip bench press. Let's get started. Exercise 1 is ring push-ups. At first glance, this may look like just another push-up, but it is far more powerful than most people think. The moment you put your hands on rings, your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all have to work harder because the rings move with you instead of locking you into one fixed path. That extra freedom forces your body to control the movement from start to finish, which means more tension, more stability, and often better muscle activation. One big reason this exercise works so well is the stretch at the bottom. Your chest moves through a deeper range than in a normal push-up, and that deep loaded stretch can be great for muscle growth. To do it right, keep your body in a straight line, lower yourself slowly, and let the rings move naturally. Do not rush, and do not let your hips sag. The goal is control, not speed. If it feels shaky at first, that is normal. That shake is often a sign that your body is waking up muscles that have not been doing enough. And once this movement starts to feel smooth, you will understand why simple does not mean easy. Exercise 2 is walking lunges. This is one of those movements that looks simple until you do it the right way. Then it hits you fast. Walking lunges train your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core at the same time. But what makes them stand out is how they also build balance, coordination, and control. So you are not just making your legs look stronger, you are teaching them to work better in real life too. Every step forces one leg to handle the load on its own, which is why walking lunges reveal weaknesses so quickly. If one side is less stable or less powerful, this exercise will expose it right away. And that is a good thing, because fixing those weak points makes your whole lower body feel stronger and more solid. To do them well, step forward with control, lower your back knee toward the floor, and push through your front foot into the next step. Keep your chest up, stay balanced, and do not rush. Smooth reps are always better than messy speed. If they burn early, that is normal. If they test your balance, even better. That means they are doing exactly what they should. Exercise 3 is the assisted Nordic curl. This one is humbling. It does not look flashy, and that is exactly why so many people underestimate it. But once you try it, you quickly see why it deserves respect. The assisted Nordic curl trains the hamstrings in a way very few exercises can. These muscles sit on the back of your legs, and many people neglect them while focusing more on the front. Over time, that imbalance can affect power, stability, and knee support. This movement helps fix that. It teaches your hamstrings to stay strong as your body lowers forward under control, and that kind of strength matters more than most people realize. It helps with running, posture, athletic movement, and lower body protection. To do it, anchor your feet, keep your hips extended, and lower yourself slowly toward the floor. Use your hands, a band, or a light push from the bottom to help yourself back up. Even if you can only control part of the movement at first, that still counts. Partial reps can still be very effective. The key is to move slowly and stay honest. No collapsing, no rushing, just control. If this one feels hard, good. That usually means you found a weak area worth improving. Exercise 4 is the loaded bear crawl. This is the one that catches people off guard. It does not look like a classic muscle building exercise, but that is exactly why it is so valuable. The loaded bear crawl works your shoulders, chest, core, legs, and coordination all at once. It forces your whole body to stay tight while you move, And that kind of full body tension is something many workouts miss. Instead of training one muscle at a time, this teaches your body to move as one strong unit. That is a big reason it feels so different. And once you add a little load with a weighted vest, a backpack, or even just slow the pace down, the difficulty rises fast. A simple crawl suddenly becomes a real test of strength, endurance, and mental toughness. To do it well, keep your knees close to the floor, your back flat, and your steps small and controlled. Do not let your hips swing around. Stay tight, move smoothly, and focus on each step. If it starts to burn quickly, that is the point. This exercise asks a lot from your body, but it gives a lot back too. Exercise 5 is the elevated pike push-up. If you want stronger, rounder shoulders without needing heavy overhead presses, this is one of the smartest movements you can do. A lot of people spend too much time on chest work and almost ignore this angle completely. That is why the upper body can end up looking flat or incomplete. The elevated pike push-up helps fix that. It places more of the work on your shoulders, upper chest, triceps, and core, while also teaching your body to press in a more natural and athletic way. And that matters, because strong shoulders do more than improve how you look. They also help with posture, stability, control, and long-term strength. To do it well, place your feet on a box or bench, put your hands on the floor, and lift your hips so your body forms a strong angle. Then lower your head toward the floor with control and press back up smoothly. Do not rush. The cleaner you do it, the more you will feel it working. If it feels harder than expected, that is a good sign. It usually means the exercise is reaching muscles that are not getting enough attention. Exercise 6 is chin-ups. Chin-ups are one of the clearest signs of real upper body strength because you are not moving a machine. You are moving your own body through space. That changes everything. They train your lats, biceps, upper back, forearms, and core all at once, which is why they build noticeable muscle so well. Chin-ups do not just make your back look wider, they also add shape to your arms, improve grip strength, and teach your body how to pull with control. Many people spend years on cables and machines, but still cannot lift themselves even once. Chin-ups expose that weakness fast, but they also give you a clear way to fix it. Grab the bar with your palms facing you. Start from a full hang and pull until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself slowly and stay in control. No swinging, no half reps, just clean movement. If you cannot do one yet, start with assisted reps or slow negatives. Every clean rep counts. Once you get strong at chin-ups, you are not just building muscle. You are building strength that feels real. These 6 exercises may look simple, but they can build a body that feels stronger, moves better, and lasts longer. Start with the version you can handle, stay consistent, and let the progress build over time. Comment which exercise surprised you the most. Subscribe for more videos like this.